How to create t-shirt designs on Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create gorgeous looking t-shirt designs on Canva. So let's get into it. Now, before we get started, you need to know how to actually print these designs that you're going to create. So there are many platforms which are called print-on-demand platforms such as Teespring or Redbubble. What you can do is all you have to do is upload your designs, and then you can go into the clothing section, go into t-shirts, and have your designs printed. So there are many other platforms that offer this service as well, but Teespring and Redbubble are probably the top two. All you have to do is upload your design, and then you can start selling your t-shirts as well. So that is one way to actually make use of these t-shirt designs and start selling these t-shirt designs. And you can even link this to your own e-commerce store, and all you have to do is upload your designs. Then you will have to sort out all of the handling, shipping, all of that is handled by these platforms, and all you have to do is upload design. So to get started with creating our design to upload on Redbubble or Teespring or any other print-on-demand platform, we're going to go onto canva.com. Now canva.com is a free to use online illustration platform, and all you have to do is register to create your account. And once you have created your account, you can use the Canva, and I'm going to only be using the free version of Canva. There is a lot more that you can do on the paid version, but the free version still allows you to create unlimited designs. I have logged onto my account. You will just have to register to create your account, and once you have done that, you're just going to click on custom size over here on the right, and then you're going to change this from pixels to inches. And then what you're going to do is you're going to enter the height and width that you want to create your canvas for. So the larger canvas you take, the better quality design you will be able to create, but you don't need to go overboard. The height and width that I usually like to use is usually 16 in width, and then the height is usually 20 or 18 depending on the kind of design I'm looking to create. Usually I go with 18, so there's a 2-inch difference. So you can either go with this or even go with 20. Both of these are pretty much fine. I find that they fit on t-shirts pretty much okay, so I'm gonna go with the 16 by 20. Now to get started, first off, I'm gonna click on the canvas over here. Then on the top left you will see this color wheel, so I'm gonna click on document colors, and this will open up the color wheel, and I will change this to like a light pastel pink. And maybe after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the element section on the left over here, and I'm going to start adding a few design elements. So you can add anything. You can find illustrations for basically anything. Let's say I want to create like a floral t-shirt. I'm just going to search for flowers, and let's say I want to like add a bunch of flowers and then add a quotation in the center. So I'm just going to add a few flowers like this. Like so. I'm just going to bunch up a bunch of flowers on the borders or edges of this design. And I'm just going to zoom in to show you guys how to make sure everything is filled out. And I'm just going to add a bunch of different flowers, as many as I can, like so. So I'm just layering all of these flowers together. I'm going to show you guys how to save time with this as well, so don't worry, you won't have to spend eternity pasting all of these multiple different kinds of flowers. I'm going to show you guys how to actually make sure that you're saving time with these designs as well. So I'm just going to add a bunch of different designs like this, making sure everything looks pretty cohesive as well, because you don't want it to look too off. I'm going to send this backward, and now I'm just going to take some more designs. This over here, send backward, and then I'm going to take this design, I'm going to place it over here, and I'm going to send this backward, and I'm going to take this one as well, and I'm going to rotate this one, and maybe I want to flip it horizontally like so. Place it right over here, and then I'm going to send it to the back like this. So after I have added a bunch of these flowers all together, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these all together, and then I'm going to do Command C and Command V, or Control C and Control V, and then I'm just going to rotate these entirely, rotate them to 180 degrees like I just did with this icon. And now I'm just going to place these at the bottom of my canvas, and now I have like a similar little floral pattern on both sides of my canvas, so my t-shirt design will look pretty cohesive. Now after that, all I have to do is I'm going to add some text text. You can add more design elements as well. You can also do Command C and Command V once more. Take these flowers, drag them, and then rotate this to 90 degrees. Now in this way you can also place the same design on the side as well, and then you're just going to click on send backward to make sure that these flowers are aligned nicely, and then you're just going to do Command V once more, and then you can place it on the other side as well, rotate them to 90 degrees once more. Click on send backward, and like this you have like a nice little design on all sides. Now at the center you can add like an animal, or you can even add some text. So I'm going to search for lion in the element section, and I'm going to click on graphics over here, and I'm going to take this illustration. I think this looks pretty nice. Or you can even search for something like a peacock or parrot, whatever kind of design that you are feeling like. We're going to go with a peacock maybe, and this is like super cute. Or maybe I'm going to go with this lined one, and I'll just expand this over here, and maybe I should place flowers all the way to the edges of the peacock. Maybe that would look nice. Or you can go with anything you want. It just depends. Just go with the flow and see what you find looks best. I'm going to make sure that this is aligned nicely. And now I think I'm going to place some text on the top over here. So for the text, I'm going to click on the text box over here on the left. And now there are many different types of text you can add. These are the font combinations. You can choose one of these, or you can just go onto the simple text and then customize it accordingly. I would suggest that you check out the font combinations because they are pretty nice, and I do find them to be super interesting to look at. I'm just going to scroll down and browse these font combinations to see which one would fit the t-shirt design that I'm creating. This one, like this. So I'm just going to place this over here first, and first I'm going to remove the bottom section, and now I'm just going to select this text, and I'm going to enter my own text. So it could be young, wild, and free dot, like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the text, and I'm going to align this all towards the left. And now I'm going to reduce the text box. Now there are many other ways that you can place your text as well. Another great way that I like to place text is like once you add your text, you're going to click on effects over here, and then you can also add many different effects. Now below that you also have a curve option, so you can add curve to the text, and I like to usually do this with a lot of designs because it helps the text look a lot better and fitting. So I'm going to curve this text like so, and after that what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the text, click on the font color over here at the top center, and now I'm going to change the font color to like a darker shade of pink, like this one. And after that, I'm going to click on effects. I'm going to click on lift. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with splice. So now I think this looks pretty nice. After that, what I'm going to do is click on share, click on download, and I can download this as a PNG or a JPEG as well. You can download this as a PNG, JPEG, PDF, whatever you want. And after I have downloaded this, I can go on to Redbubble, and I can click on my account, click on sell your art, and then I can click on add new work. And once I click on that, upload new work, I'm going to go into my download section, and I'm going to upload my little design that I created, and I'm going to add young. And now I am going to, like, once my design is uploaded, that I have added a title, you're going to add your tags, description, all that. And now you can see your product preview. So this is how it's going to look like on a t-shirt. You can also customize this and set it as well. You can also print it on other things as well other than t-shirts. So that is how simple and easy it is to create your own t-shirt designs on Canva. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.